welcome back to Keto with Lee. Today I'll be showing you how to make chicken dip. So I'm going to be making that today. I hope you enjoy it. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out my webpage, maybe there, maybe up there. But let's fast forward and get to work. Okay everyone, so we're back. I went ahead and off camera I added blue cheese. It's chunky blue cheese. This is wing sauce, mild. I put some salt in there as well as some black pepper. So now I'm going to stir it up as it heats up. So what I did with this chicken, you could either buy a rotisserie chicken. I happen to have one from a recipe I was making. So it was a whole chicken that you saw. I went ahead and just get all the meat, off of the bone. And now, I'm just gonna mix this up. See how creamy it's getting? This is gonna be fabulous, especially with some, what do you call that? Celery. And then some keto crackers. So all you're gonna do, this is it, y'all. All you have to do is warm this up.